Hello everyone, I'm Swati, your insurance coach. Welcome back to our LIC AAO Insurance Specialist Preparation Series. This is the second part of our introduction video series. Yesterday we covered the eligibility criteria and the paper pattern for the exam. Today we will dive deeper into the detailed syllabus and the preparation strategy to help you achieve success in this exam. Talking about the overview of exam, the syllabus of the LIC AAO Insurance Specialist role is vast and it covers multiple important areas which are essential for your professional knowledge. First part is principles of insurance and risk management. You will learn fundamental insurance principles such as utmost good faith, insurable interest, indemnity, subrogation, contribution, and proximate cause. It also covers the types and classification of risks, its assessment, management techniques, and the role insurance plays in managing the risk. Second unit is life insurance product and annuities. This section includes various life insurance products, including term plans, endowment plans, whole life policies, and ULIPs. You will also understand the policy features, riders, bonuses, annuities, surrender value, paid up value, nominations, and assignments. Third unit is the general insurance products, where we'll study the various types of general insurance products prevalent in the market, such as motor, health, fire, marine, and other miscellaneous products like personal accident, travel, liability, and crop insurance. Fourth unit is insurance underwriting and claims management. This section focuses on the underwriting principles, risk assessment, premium calculations, and the claims process, including documentation, settlement, fraud detection, and dispute resolution. In the fifth unit, we will study about the reinsurance and risk sharing concepts, where we learn about the different types of reinsurance, like facultative and proportional and non-proportional methods, and the role of reinsurance in risk management. The sixth unit is IRD regulations and guidelines, where we'll understand the strategy and the regulatory framework set by IRDA, what is the solvency margin, requirements, reporting and guidelines for agents and intermediaries. Seventh unit is the insurance marketing and distribution channels. This includes traditional and digital channels, bancassurance, online aggregators, direct marketing, CRM, and other regulatory norms related to marketing and distribution. In the last unit, we will be discussing about the emerging trends in digital insurance and insurtechs, where we'll explore the digital transformation in insurance, including e-policies, AI, big data, blockchain, insurtech firms, and bancassurance models and its benefits. Now let's talk about the preparation strategy. Let's look at the preparation strategy which we are planning tailored for this exam. I have divided this preparation into three phases. Phase 1, which is before prelims, starts from now onwards until 2nd of October. It focuses on building a strong foundation in high weightage areas such as insurance principles, products, IDA guidelines, and claims management. Aim for 2 to 3 hours daily alongside prelims prep. We plan to prepare short notes and attempt MCQs by the 2nd of October as a completion of this phase. And we will deep dive into the remaining syllabus areas, regulatory updates, and insurance scheme. Let's talk about the second phase, which is post prelims, which is the intensive study phase. Here we will study for 4 to 5 hours daily and create brief notes, practice MCQs, and attempt full-length past papers and mock tests. The third phase, which is the final preparation phase, spans from 26th October to 7th of November. Here we will practice and revise with multiple mock tests, and we will plan on focusing study on the weak areas. Around 5 to 6 full length mock tests we will try to cover up to help simulate the exam conditions. Here's a weekly plan snapshot for this preparation. The week 1 is principles of insurance and risk management. Week 2 is life insurance products and annuities. Week 3 we will cover the general insurance products. Week 4, which is from 21 September to 27 September, we will be covering the underwriting and claims management. In the 5th week, we will cover the reinsurance and risk sharing concepts. In the 6th week, we will cover IDA regulations and guidelines. And in the 7th and 8th week, we will cover the insurance marketing and digital insurance respectively. I've also prepared some sample questions to assist you in preparing for this exam. To give you a quick idea of the kind of questions, here are a few examples. Like, what is the principle that requires the insured to disclose all the material facts? So the answer to this question is principle of utmost good faith. And I've also provided explanations for each question that I've provided in the topic test. Similarly, I've also worked upon some descriptive questions which are relevant and which will help you in a comprehensive preparation for this particular exam. This wraps up the detailed syllabus and preparation strategy for the LIC Insurance Specialist exam. In the next video, we will dive deeper into some key concepts and important topics to watch out for. Stay consistent with your preparation and all the best for your LIC AAO journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. And yes, please register yourself for the workshop which is planned on 5th of September at 8 p.m. where we'll be discussing on eligibility, syllabus and pattern for this exam. Thank you so much for joining.